So before we can run our next example, we need to modify one of the PHP configuration options in the php.ini file. Now we've done something like this earlier on in this series with another variable. This variable that we're going to modify is called magic quotes, and we're turning it off, even though it is a safe option to have on, because in most live server environments, this is going to be turned off. And we want to make our environment a little more realistic. So let's go to Acquia Dev Desktop, and we need to click on the Settings button, and then Config, and then in this PHP section, we want to click Edit, which will allow us to edit the .ini file. Let's do a search in this file for magic quotes, and this is separated with an underscore, and this is the one that we're looking for. It's called magic quotes underscore GPC, and we want to change this from on to off. Let's save this, exit it, and now we need to restart PHP in MySQL. So let's click OK to get out of the configuration and click Stop here. And once these have stopped, we'll click Start again. And once Apache and MySQL are green, we can go back to our site and run our next example.